How to Make Money on Facebook, a Complete Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're about to blow your minds with not one, not two, but 7 insane ways to stack cash using just your Facebook account. That's right, whether you're already a social media pro or just starting out, we're about to turn your scrolling into serious income. We're talking game-changing strategies here, the kind that could have you swimming in a pool of money like Scrooge McDuck. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to take notes because this is about to be epic. Content is king. Turn your posts into paychecks. Alright guys, first up, let's talk about the gold mine, that is content monetization. Facebook's got your back with multiple avenues to rake in the dough from your awesome content. We're talking in-stream ads that play before, during, or after your videos, ads on those viral reels you're creating, and even performance bonuses for hitting those engagement milestones. It's like getting paid to do what you love. But hold up, there's a catch. You gotta play by Facebook's rules. We're talking community standards and eligibility requirements. Don't worry, we'll break it all down for you so you can start seeing those dollar signs roll in. Supercharge your fans, turn loyal followers into paying subscribers. Now let's talk about your biggest fans, those awesome people who are always there to like, comment, and share your content. It's time to take that relationship to the next level with fan subscriptions. Imagine giving your most dedicated followers exclusive perks like behind-the-scenes content, special badges, and even the chance to chat with you directly. We're talking about creating a community where everyone wins. And hey, if they want to show their appreciation with stars or virtual gifts, who are we to stop them? It's a win-win for everyone involved. Sell, sell, sell. Turn Facebook into your personal online store. Alright entrepreneurs, this one's for you. Did you know Facebook is basically a giant marketplace just waiting to be tapped into? We're talking about unleashing the power of Facebook Marketplace, setting up shop with Facebook Shops, and even going live with your very own shopping channel. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, vintage clothing, or even digital products, Facebook gives you the tools to reach millions of potential customers. And hey, if you've got knowledge to share, why not offer paid courses, webinars, or consulting services? The possibilities are endless. Chapter 4. Affiliate Marketing Partner Up and Profit. Now let's talk about the power of partnerships. Affiliate marketing is like having your own army of salespeople working for you 24/7. Find brands you love, sign up for their affiliate programs, and start promoting their products or services to your followers. Every time someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, boom, you earn a commission. It's like getting paid to recommend stuff you already love. Just remember to be transparent with your audience and only promote products you genuinely believe in. Authenticity is key. Alright, if you've got a massive following and engagement that's off the charts, it's time to level up with branded content. We're talking about partnering with major brands to create sponsored posts that resonate with your audience. This is where your influence turns into serious earning potential. But remember, brands are looking for quality over quantity. Keep your content authentic, engaging, and relevant to your audience to attract those lucrative partnerships. Got a knack for bringing people together? Then it's time to turn that Facebook group into a money-making machine. Now, we're not talking about spamming your members with ads. We're talking about creating a valuable community that people are willing to pay to be a part of. Offer exclusive content, expert advice, and a supportive network in exchange for a membership fee. If your group is large and engaged enough, you can even explore running ads to generate even more revenue. It's all about finding the right balance between value and monetization. Last but not least, let's not forget about the power of Facebook to drive traffic to your other online ventures. Whether you've got a website, blog, or e-commerce store, think of Facebook as your ultimate marketing tool. Create engaging content that piques your audience's interest and include links back to your other platforms. By strategically driving traffic to where you can monetize through ads, sales, or other methods, you'll be maximizing your earning potential across the board. And there you have it, folks. Those are the top 7 ways to turn your Facebook activity into a stream of cold, hard cash. Remember, building a sustainable income takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. Stay consistent, keep those creative juices flowing, and never stop engaging with your audience. Because the more value you provide, the more successful you'll be. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and share this with your friends so they can join in on the fun. Until next time, keep crushing it.